in the cold currents of the Pacific, a silent invasion is happening. Millions of tons of these gelatinous giants are harvested every year.
But turning a toxic stinger into a global delicacy isn't just cooking, it's science.
Once released on deck, the sheer weight of the catch is staggering. Jellyfish are 95% water.
To prevent damage to their delicate skin, they are offloaded using high-pressure hydraulic pumps. It begins here, in the nutrient-rich waters where the giant Nomura jellyfish swarm in the millions. Immediately, they hit the intake wash to remove debris, sand, and accidental bycatch. They are loaded into these massive rotating drums, where mechanical agitation loosens the slime.
A high-pressure rinse flushes away the extracted fluids and chemical residue. Workers perform a tactile inspection, ensuring the surface friction is just right.
Immediately, they hit the intake wash to remove debris, sand, and accidental bycatch.
Sort is critical. Only the firmest, healthiest specimens make the cut for premium processing.
Here, the anatomy is separated. The bell, or head, is separated from the tentacles.
The separated parts are stored in chilled holding tanks to maintain their firm texture.
The flesh is already transforming, losing its water weight and gaining elasticity.
Now cured and firm, the jellyfish enter the precision cutting zone to be shaped for the market. For the popular salad style, the bells are run through high-speed shredders, creating uniform strips. These strips must be consistent. Too thick, and they are chewy. Too thin, and they lose their crunch. For whole sheet exports, skilled hands trim the rough edges to ensure a perfect presentation. Imperfect cuts are instantly detected and blown off the line by automated air jets.
To lock in that signature crunch, the jellyfish strips undergo a critical thermal shock process.
They are flash blanched for mere seconds, just enough to contract the fibers without melting the collagen.
Instantly, the heat forces the texture to tighten, changing from slimy to firm and rubbery.
They are immediately plunged into an ice bath to arrest the cooking process and seal the texture.
But heat is only half the battle. The true transformation happens under a mountain of salt.
The salt acts as a powerful desiccant, drawing out the remaining moisture that causes spoilage.
Minor blemishes and natural sea spots are surgically removed to ensure a flawless visual presentation.
Before packaging, every batch passes through sensitive metal detectors to ensure no fishing hooks or debris remain. Only when every test is passed does the product earn the official seal of quality.
Precision is paramount. Every bundle is weighed to the gram before it moves to packaging.
The boxes glide through the auto sealer, which applies the tamper-evident tape with robotic precision. In a split second, the destination is assigned. This box is now destined for the high-end markets of Tokyo. Automated scales act as the final gatekeeper. Any box missing even a single pack is instantly rejected. The heavy lifting is done by robotics, stacking the master cartons onto pallets with mathematical stability.
A final spin wraps the pallet in layers of tensioned plastic film, locking the load together as one solid unit.
Loaded, wrapped, and ready. The forklifts run non-stop to feed the waiting trucks.
The final link in the chain is the reefer truck. The cold chain must remain unbroken from the factory floor to the supermarket shelf.
Every day, tons of processed jellyfish leave these gates, embarking on a journey to over 50 different countries.